So in the last video we saw about the different kind of expression. So now we will see what are the different kind of notation in which an expression can be represented. Okay, so the notation that are used to represent an expression. So basically we have three kinds of notation. This is infix notation. Okay, after that you have prefix notation, and lastly we have postfix notation. Okay, so what are they? They are nothing but a way to represent an expression. Like if we write 2 plus 3, and as we have discussed in our previous video, that every expression basically consists of two parts, that is the operands and an operator. So in this style of writing, where we are placing the operator in between two operands, this style of writing is known as infix. Again, infix is a style of notation, is a style of writing where we place the operator in between the operands. So infix can be written as A plus B, okay, where the operator is in between two operands. So it can be more than two, it does not matter. In prefix, it is similar to it. The operator is in front of the operands. So A plus AB, okay, where we are putting the operator in front of the operands. And in case of postfix notation, it is just opposite of it. We are placing the operands first, and after that we are placing the operator. So these are three basic style or notations through which we can express an expression. Okay, either it is algebraic or arithmetic or a Boolean expression, it does not matter, but these are the basic thing. The obvious question is that okay, infix notation, we are very much familiar with it. I can easily evaluate 2 plus 3, which is 5, I know that. But what is the point of learning plus 2, 3 or even 2, 3 plus? So the thing is that, yes, we humans are very much comfortable with this kind of expression notation where we are placing the operator in between two operands. The problem arises when we have multiple operators and operands together. Like if I want to write 2 plus 3 minus 5 into 2. So which operator needs to be evaluated first, or which operand should be evaluated first? We are not sure about that. So what we humans use is operator precedence. That is, as of you, some of you do know about operator precedence. Operator precedence means that certain operators have a higher authority or precedence over other. Like the caret or the power has the higher precedence. Then we have multiplication. Then we have division. After that we have addition, and finally subtraction. Okay. So this is the caret symbol, or also power. So if you want to write 2 to the power 3, it can also be written as 2 caret 3. Okay. So after that you have multiplication, then division, then addition, then subtraction. So if we apply that kind of an operator precedence over here, fine, we'll get a definite answer, that is the multiplication will be done first, okay, and after that we'll perform the addition, and finally we'll perform the subtraction. So that is one of the technique through which we operate on multiple operators and operands involved. Very fine. We are convenient with it. It is very easy for us. And if we don't use this kind of an operator precedence, every expression, this very expression might have multiple answers, because you would evaluate maybe addition first, then maybe multiplication, then maybe division. So every person will have a different answer to the same expression, which is not valid, which is an ambiguous situation. So that's why you have to use operator precedence. Very fine. Now the question arises, operator precedence is good for us, we understand it, but it is very troublesome for the machines to implement. If you want to write an algorithm using operator precedence to evaluate this kind of a thing, yes, you can do it, but it is very much troublesome. So what we do, we arrange this kind of an expression in a postfix notation, we arrange this kind of an expression into a postfix expression or postfix notation, and we use a data structure called a stack to evaluate it. Okay, in the subsequent videos we will try and understand how to convert an infix notation into postfix notation, and finally how to evaluate its value using a stack. Thank you.